Dance is a rhythmic representation of one's deepest emotions painted on the canvas of life.
Every community and region have woven its own cultural heritage through various artistic expressions.
And dance has always been an integral thread in the fabric of oneness and brotherhood.
Warm greetings to all the honorable dignitaries, distinguished educators, and all my dear friends. I'm Aishwarya Madhavan of class 11C.
And I'm Shweta S. of class 11B. It's with great elation that we take this opportunity to be the masters of ceremony for this inaugural function of Nritya Preksha Srishti 2K24.
Srishti, the prestigious cultural extravaganza, has always been instrumental in kindling a spark of creativity and fostering teamwork that lay dormant within the young minds.
For the past 9 years, the students of Bhavan's Munshi Vidyashram, compassionately guided and mentored by the teachers and management, have dedicated their tireless strivings, which undoubtedly stretched its arms into making Srishti a perennially memorable event each year.
This year, too, Srishti has reunited us as we embark on this exuberant journey of contentment and jubilation.
Today, we, on behalf of the entire Bhavan's Munshi family, stand before you with immense pride as we extend a heartfelt welcome to all the schools and participants who have joined hands with us to this grand event of Srishti 2K24, Nritya Preksha, the dance of nature.
Where talent amalgamates with the compassionate endeavor of young minds. Ladies and gentlemen, it's time for us to engage ourselves in this rhythmic expressions intertwined with the essence of nature. As we dance and witness dancing, let's together embrace Nritya Preksha with a huge round of applause.
Aishwarya, do you feel there is any nexus between dance and music?
Of course, just like dance, music too communicates universal emotions and stories, transcending language barriers to connect deeply with audience worldwide.
Yes. Now, let me extend a gracious welcome to our adept musicians and talented singers to create a symphony of musical brilliance.
Yes, here comes our talented musicians and adept singers invoking the presence of Lord Ganesha through an inaugural song.
Hello, hello. ഹലോ
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 ഹലോ ഹലോ ഹലോ ഹലോ
शिवोऽहम्
Hello.
That was indeed an elevating experience, wasn't it, Shweta?
Indeed, they created a heavenly atmosphere.
And this reminds me of this timeless sloka. Nrityam bhuktva tu yasmin nanrataha sobhya nritastatha tasmin tasya param nasti sada shambhor arathanat.
Even one who does not dance, upon witnessing the dance of Lord Shiva, becomes a dancer.
So here comes our vibrant dancers, blending the vigor of Shivtandav with the serenity of Kathak, to invoke the presence of Lord Shiva and to radiate the euphoria which makes Srishti soulful. Let's behold their mesmerizing performance.
चिदाकाशमाकाशवासं भजेऽहम् निराकारमोङ्कारमूलं तुरीयं गिराज्ञानगोतीतमीशं गिरीशम् करालं महाकालकालं कृपालं गुणागार संसार भारं नतोऽहम् तुषाराद्रिसङ्काशगौरं गभीरं मनोभूतकोटि प्रभाश्री शरीरम् कल्लोलिनी चारुगङ्गा लसत्फालबालेन्दुकण्ठे भुरङ्गा जलत्कुण्डलं भ्रूसुनेत्रं विशालं प्रसन्नाननं नीलकण्ठं दयालम् प्रगाधीशचर्माम्बरं मुण्डमालं प्रियं शङ्करं सर्वनाथं भजामि
That was indeed a breathtaking display of talent and spirit. Thank you, dears.
Indeed. And it would be as much enthralling to know what awaits us next.
Any guesses? Now, let's watch a glimpse of the fervor and zeal that Srishti had ignited within the campus and among each Bhavanite as Bhavan's Munshi Vidyashram prepared to host his prestigious event of Srishti.
Yes, let's witness the curtain raiser of Srishti 2K24, Nritya Preksha. That was indeed a promising preview. Tamaso ma jyotirgamaya.
Lead me from darkness to light.
Lighting a lamp before a ceremony holds deep spiritual, cultural, and symbolic significance, setting a positive and sacred tone for the proceedings that follow.
Let's invite our esteemed dignitaries to light the lamp and to bestow this event with positivity and enlightenment.
I invite all the honorable dignitaries to light the lamp.
I invite all the program coordinators to join them. Hereby, I request all the honorable dignitaries to kindly occupy the seats on the dais.
A day without prayer is a day without blessing. A life without prayer is a life without power. To enhance the sanctity of this occasion, I hereby invite our school choir to invoke the blessings of the Divine Lord through a prayer.
प्रबोधाय मार्कण्डाय नमो नमः ब्रह्मेशानाच्युतेशाय सूर्यायादित्यवर्चसे भास्वते सर्वभक्षाय रौद्राय वपुषे नमः भरतकुलभाग्यकलिके भावरसानन्दपरिणताकारे जगदैक मोहनकले जय जय रङ्गादि देवते देवी लोक समस्त सुखिनोद्भवन्तु लोक समस्त सुखिनोद्भवन्तु लोक समस्त सुखिनोद्भवन्तु
As Aristotle once quoted, well begun is half done. To formally begin our event, I invite Kumari Ireland Ian Shamakala to deliver the address of welcome and to set the tone for our event.
There are so many reasons to be happy. Small cheer and great welcome makes a merry feast. Respected dignitaries on and off the days, teachers and students of Munshi and fellow participants from various schools. Namaste and good morning to one and all. The duty bestowed upon me is to welcome you all to the inaugural function of the Inter-School Dance Fest hosted by our school, Bhavan's Munshi Vidyashram, Srishti Nritya Praksha 2024. We are delighted to have an eminent and illustrious personality as the chief guest of the day. Srimati Kalamantalam Sukanti. She is a Mohiniyattam dancer, choreographer, and dance teacher. She started learning Bharatanatyam at the age of 7 from Sati Devi, a graduate of Tripuntra RLV College of Music and Fine Arts. After 2 years, she trained under Pallurati Surendranath. At the time of joining to study at the Kerala Kalamandalam, her basic interest was in Bharatanatyam. In Kalamandalam, she studied under Kalamandalam Satyabhama, Kalamandalam Chandrika, and ABR Bhaskar. She studied BA in Malayalam from the University of Calicut and MA in Mohiniyattam from Kerala Kalamandalam. She did her doctorate in development of pedagogy for Mohiniyattam based on Natya Shastra from Tanjavur Shastra University under Dr. Padma Subramaniam. Currently, she's working as the academic dean in Kerala Kalamandalam. I wholeheartedly welcome you, ma'am. Under the charismatic leadership of our chairman, C.A. Venugopal C. Govind, Kochi Kendra has grown manifolds over the years. His passion for perfection and enthusiastic approach to life is worth emulating. I extend a hearty welcome to you, sir. When serenity and power come together, a true leader is born. A man of grit and wisdom whose smile never falters in adversity. He is none other than our most respected and beloved director, Sri E. Ramankutti sir. A warm welcome to you, sir. A true leader has the confidence to stand tall, courage to take tough, right decisions, and lead her team gracefully. A cordial welcome to our principal ma'am, Srimati Lata S., our guiding star and our leading light. A gracious welcome to our vice principals who are always known for their optimism and simplicity. The ones who believe in the mettle of their team and who knows the magic of teamwork. An earnest welcome is extended to our dear vice principals, Srimati Ramya Das and Srimati Nirmala V.K. I take this opportunity to extend a genial welcome to Sri Manikanda Kumar, PTA Executive Committee member. Welcome, sir. I would like to extend a pleasant welcome to the teachers and the participants from various schools wholeheartedly to the inaugural function of Srishti 2024. I take this opportunity to welcome our teaching fraternity. Your sense of commitment, a serious service, patience, sense of responsibility play a key role in nurturing our students. With a grateful heart, I welcome you all, my dear teachers. My hearty welcome also goes to Master Srinikesh Srigant, Program Coordinator of Srishti 2024, and Kumari Anne Mary of Class 11. Welcome. I also extend my affable welcome to all the students who are the part and parcel of our school. It is indeed a proud moment for all of us. Once again, a warm and hearty welcome to you all to Srishti Nritya Praksha 2024.
A hearty welcome to you too, Ireland. To lead is to weave a tapestry of dreams and aspiration, guiding each thread to its destined place. As we move on to the felicitations, it's with immense pride and gratitude that I invite our esteemed chairman of Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan, Kochi Kendra, C.A. Venugopal C. Govind, who has been a stalwart leader illuminating a path of educational excellence for all of us. Sir, I cordially invite you to grace this occasion through your insightful thoughts.
Namaste, namaste to all of you. Most pleasant day, extremely enjoyable day, exhilarating, enticing, exciting, exuberating, whatnot. So very delighted with all of you, young little ones, teachers and their parents. Distinguished, most respected, most revered chief guest of this fine morning, Madam Sugandhi. We have known her, some of us art lovers, for last 4-5 decades. She is embodiment, exemplification, personification of art in all its purest of pure forms. We are so very delighted, we are so very honored, so very privileged to have you with us, ma'am, this morning. And I'm sure the whole stage and the whole program gets itself totally enthused and encouraged by her magnificent presence. Our esteemed director, Sri Raman Gutti, Madam Principal Lata, Vice Principals Ramya, Nirmala, Manikanda Kumar, our with respected PT Executive Committee members, all the little young leaders and students of Class 11 who have so brilliantly organized this forum, this function, and beloved teachers and parents. It brings us so much of joy, gladdens our hearts, warms our hearts to know that such a beautiful, magnitudinous function of significance today has been organized by our Munshi Vidyashram, the art competition or festival, as we may call it, or celebration, as we may call it. I'm so happy to know that nearly 12 students from other schools and 12 students of 12 schools from outside Bhavan and 6 students of 6 Bhavan schools are participating in this event, 18 of them. All of them must be very chosen gems and chosen pearls from the field of art, and you have seen what a beautiful presentation our students presented this morning. The music extravaganza that you saw, that extremely, I must say, very, very invigorating and very beautifully presented, no doubt about that. Ganesha Stuti, Shambho, Shiva Shambho, Mahadeva Stuti, and the dance program, a complex and amalgam of several dance forms. Fantastic, no doubt about it. Hands off to the teachers who trained them and all the little young ones who performed so brilliantly. I would not like to speak in the presence of the Nritya Devata or the Kala Swarupani that Madam Sugandhi is, except to say that I must congratulate all the participants who have joined in this program today, who are themselves budding artists, no doubt, and they will certainly bloom to be one of the finest artists or dancers in the field of art. You know, humans have two sides to their brain, the right side of the brain and the left side of the brain. The right hemisphere, as they call, and the left hemisphere, as called. All our, creative work, the ingenious that goes behind it, the emotion, the intuition, the intellectual prowess, the genius capabilities, competence, that all are stored. You see, the home of all this is the right side of the brain. Development of the right side of the brain is most difficult. And it has to be trained, modulated, moderated, and continuously nurtured, nursed, and groomed for it to reach its peak. We may not be touching even 5 or 10% of its competence through all these forms, but it is of great relevance, significance for every human being. The spatial ability, the ability to think ahead, and the coordination between the mind, the brain, and the body, the intellectual capabilities which go on in absolute concentration and presenting such numbers with such felicity and all, makes art, every form of art, so enjoyable. I'm so happy that so many students from various schools are participating. They picked up some of the best outstanding schools so that they can compete with peers of their competence and all that, and all of them have been well trained. I have no doubt that this program, Nritya Preksha, as they call it, will be a great success, and it will encourage also so many other students also, those who have not participated. I would encourage all of you to take to some form of art or the other. Life is meaningless, dull. It has no object or purpose if life is not interlinked, intertwined, interlaced with art in some form. Art rejuvenates, refurbishes, re-energizes one to such an extent that there cannot be life without art. In any moment of stress or strain or pain or agony, distress, whatever you think that humans are subjected to on a day-to-day basis, art relieves. Art relieves, art comforts, art soothes. The significance and importance of art cannot be underscored in just words. It's beyond measure. So therefore, heartiest congratulations and felicitations to all the fine young little artists who are participating in this function. This event is not a competition at all. This is a stage for you to showcase the best of your brilliance, bring out the very best. This will also encourage you to continuously practice. You will know the distance between what you do and the best or the finest of the pinnacle or the zenith or the heights of achievement that is possible. So you will eventually, slowly, steadily, gradually groom, develop and blossom in some of the finest artists that is around the world these days. And what a privilege to have Madam Sugandhi to be with us on this evening to bless our young little kids. We have known her, as I said, for several decades. We are now requesting her to join us as an advisor for all the art programs that we have in Kalabharati and also in our schools and all that. Madam has graciously accepted that, I'm sure. Under her guidance, we will also grow. The art element in Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan will always grow. Wish you all the very best. To all the teachers once again, for all the efforts that you have put in to train our young little ones, we owe a lot to you. God be with you. Namah Shivaya. Namaste.
Thank you so much, sir, for your enlightening discourse.
A true leader's heart is a lantern illuminating the way in the darkest of times. With profound esteem, I extend an earnest invitation to Sri E. Ramangutti, Director, Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan Kochi, whose exemplary leadership and steadfast dedication have played a pivotal role in the trajectory of our school's evolution towards excellence. I cordially invite him to grace us with his enlightening thoughts.
Namaste. A pleasant good morning to all of you. Honorable Chairman, C.A. Venugopal C. Govind, our celebrity distinguished chief guest of the function, Srimati Kalamandalam Sugandhi, Mohiniyattam Guru, respected principal, vice principals, respected PTA representative, executive committee member, Sri Manikanta Kumar, Kumari Ireland, Anne Mary, Master Srinikesh, respected teachers, esteemed parents, representatives, judges, invited guests, ladies and gentlemen. Let me, at the outset, congratulate all the performers of the dance program and the music program. Extremely well. They have done up the whole campus so colorfully, beautifully they have done up. And also my compliments to the two MCs, Shweta and Aishwarya, for making a very impactful presentation. Srishti is reaching a decade, close to 9 years or 10 years. In fact, all our Bhavan schools host similar programs every year. In the past, they used to host normally the conventional events like music, dance, all 7 schools. So our chairman in one of the meetings said that let us give them different themes, diverse themes. Let us open up wider, broader, instead of going for the conventional dance, music, all 7 schools, repetition of the same thing. Participants will be almost same. Every school has a group of trained students for music and dance. They are sent out for the competitions. Then we chose to take different themes for their such annual event. For example, Girinagar has Magnum Opus, Yelamakara Pratiksha, Adarsha Labyrinth, Varuna Vidyalaya, Insignia, Srishti for Bhavan's Munshi Vidyashram. They are all known by different names. They host these items, these events with a different theme. And today's theme is dance. So every student gets various opportunities to present themselves, their skill in different events, different items. A wholesome, what is called a promotion of all fine arts forms. Today morning when I was coming down to the school, I heard a radio program. The guest was one Kumari Revati, a student of Yelamakara school. She learned music from her grandmother and mother. They were the initial guru for Revati. She is doing some course in psychology after her +2. She said the school has given her a lot of exposure. The school was a turning point. She joined in class 11 or 12. She studied elsewhere. She was following some ICSE, board. And she joined CBSE in Bhavan's Yelamakara school. She stays somewhere near Alway. And I heard her music, song also, classical, purely classical. So she was appreciating the 2-year stay in Bhavan's Yelamakara school, which provided her a lot of best. Learn something when you are in the school. There may be mistake here and there. Your teachers are there to guide you, but I think that will definitely stand by you in the days ahead. And I wish all the performers, all the contestants who have come here, there, best of luck. Do very well. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Dance is the purest expression of every emotion, both earthly and spiritual. Dance is like wine, it matures with every performance. We are delighted to have a living embodiment of this eternal beacon. Yes, now it's time to invite our most awaited chief guest, Srimati Kalamandalam Sugandhi, an exceptional dancer who has devoted her whole career embracing and propagating this graceful and universal expression of dancing. I cordially invite you, ma'am, to share your insightful thoughts.
ഓം സദ്ഗുരുഭ്യോ നമഃ. സുപ്രഭാതം. ഇന്നത്തെ ശ്രുതി ഇനോഗ്രൽ ഫംഗ്ഷനോട് അനുബന്ധിച്ച് ഇങ്ങനെ ഒരു ഏറ്റവും ഗ്രേറ്റ്ഫുള്ളായിട്ടുള്ള ഈ ഫങ്ഷനിൽ അതീവ സ്നേഹത്തോടെ എന്നെ ഇൻവൈറ്റ് ചെയ്തിട്ടുള്ള മുൻഷി വിദ്യാശ്രം പ്രിൻസിപ്പളിന്, ഡയറക്ടറായിട്ടുള്ള പ്രസിഡൻറ്റ് ശ്രീ വേണുഗോപാൽ കോവിന്ദ് സർ, ഡയറക്ടർ രാമൻകുട്ടി സർ, വേദിയിലിരിക്കുന്ന മറ്റ് ബഹുമാന്യരായ എല്ലാവർക്കും എൻ്റെ വിനീതമായ നമസ്കാരം. എനിക്ക് ഇവിടെ ഇംഗ്ലീഷിൽ നല്ലൊരു പ്രസംഗം ചെയ്യുക എന്നുള്ളതിനേക്കാൾ കൂടുതൽ എൻ്റെ ഭാവനയും എൻ്റെ ചിന്തകളും നിങ്ങളുമായിട്ട് എക്സ്പ്രസ് ചെയ്യാൻ കൂടുതൽ കംഫോർട്ടായിട്ടുള്ള ഭാഷയാണ് മലയാളം. അതുകൊണ്ട് ഞാൻ നിങ്ങളുമായിട്ട് കുറച്ച് എൻ്റെ വിശേഷങ്ങൾ, കലാവിശേഷങ്ങൾ പങ്കിടുകയാണ്. ഈ കാലഘട്ടത്തിൽ ഒരുപക്ഷെ എനിക്ക് തോന്നുന്നുണ്ട്, ഈ കാലഘട്ടത്തിൽ ജനിച്ചിരുന്നുവെങ്കിൽ ഇത്ര പുതിയ പുതിയ കാര്യങ്ങൾ ഇത്രയും ചെറിയ കുട്ടികൾ ചെയ്യണ കാണുമ്പോൾ, ഞാനൊക്കെ പഠിക്കുന്ന കാലത്ത് ഒരു നൃത്തം പഠിച്ചു ഈ കുട്ടി, ഞാനൊരു ഗൗഡ സാരസ്വത് ബ്രാഹ്മൺ കുട്ടിയാണ്. ഈ കുട്ടികളെ നൃത്തത്തിന് പഠിപ്പിക്കാൻ വിട്ടു എന്ന് പറയുമ്പോൾ വീട്ടുകാരടക്കം കുറ്റം പറയുന്ന ഒരു ഭയങ്കരമായ ഒരു സമൂഹത്തിൻ്റെ ഇടയിൽ പെട്ട്, എന്നാൽ വളരെ ഇന്നസെൻ്റായിട്ട് ഇതിനെപ്പറ്റി ഒന്നും മനസ്സിലാക്കാതെ നൃത്തം ചെയ്തിരുന്നത് പഠിച്ചിരുന്ന ഞാൻ ഈശ്വരൻ്റെ തീരുമാനം കൊണ്ട്, ഒരു നിയോഗം കൊണ്ട് ഒരു കലാകാരിയായി മാറുകയായിരുന്നു. അല്ലെങ്കിൽ തീർച്ചയായിട്ടും എനിക്ക് ഒരു നർത്തകിയോ ഡാൻസ് ടീച്ചറോ അല്ലെങ്കിൽ നൃത്തത്തിൽ ഇന്നോ ഇത്രയും ഉയർന്ന ഒരു വലിയ വലിയ ഗുരുക്കന്മാരുടെ ശിഷ്യയായിട്ടിരിക്കാനോ എനിക്ക് സാധിക്കില്ലായിരുന്നു. തീർച്ചയായിട്ടും അങ്ങനെ ഒരു ജീവിതം എനിക്ക് തന്ന, കലയിലൂടെ നല്ല ഒരു കാഴ്ചപ്പാട് ജീവിതത്തിനും സമൂഹത്തിനും എനിക്ക് നൽകാൻ കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ടുണ്ട് എന്നതും കൂടി ഓർക്കുമ്പോൾ ഞാൻ ആദ്യമായി സർവേശ്വരനോട് നന്ദി പറയുകയാണ്. ഈ അവസരത്തിൽ എനിക്ക് കിട്ടാവുന്നതിൽ വെച്ച് ഏറ്റവും വലിയ ഗുരുക്കന്മാരായിരുന്നു പണ്ട് മുതൽ ചെറിയ പ്രായത്തിൽ തുടങ്ങി എനിക്ക് കിട്ടിയിരുന്നത്. 7-ാം വയസ്സിൽ നൃത്തം അഭ്യസിക്കുക, 8-ാം വയസ്സിൽ സ്റ്റേജിൽ അരങ്ങേറ്റം കുറിക്കുക തുറവൂർ TD അമ്പലത്തിൽ. അങ്ങനെ എല്ലാ കവാലം നാരായണ പണിക്കർ സാറ്, ശ്രീ ഗുരു ഗോപിനാഥ്, ശ്രീ മാധവൻ, തൃപ്പൂണിത്തുറ മാധവൻ സാർ, ഇങ്ങനെ തുടങ്ങിയ വലിയ വലിയ ആ കാലഘട്ടത്തെ പണ്ഡിതന്മാരുടെ എല്ലാം അനുഗ്രഹങ്ങൾ സ്വീകരിച്ചുകൊണ്ട് ഞാൻ പോലും അറിയാതെ നൃത്തത്തിൻ്റെ പടവുകൾ കയറിപ്പോവുകയും കേരള കലാമണ്ഡലത്തിൽ വിദ്യാർത്ഥിനിയാവുകയും അതിനുശേഷം ശ്രീ MK കനാർ സാർ ഫാക്ട് സ്കൂളിൽ അധ്യാപികയായി ജോലി തരികയും അതിനുശേഷം കലാമണ്ഡലം വലിയ വലിയ ഗുരുക്കന്മാരുടെ കൂടെ ഫാക്ട് സ്കൂൾസ് ഫൈൻ ആർട്സ് വിങ്ങിൽ ഒരു അധ്യാപികയായി തീരുകയും ലോകത്തിലെ നൃത്തത്തിൻ്റെ ഇതിഹാസം എന്ന് നമ്മളെല്ലാവരും വിശേഷിപ്പിക്കുന്ന ഡോക്ടർ പത്മ സുബ്രഹ്മണ്യത്തിൻ്റെ കീഴിൽ നാട്യശാസ്ത്രം ബേസ്ഡ് ഓൺ ഈ റീകൺസ്ട്രക്ഷൻ ഓഫ് മോഹിനിയാട്ടം ബേസ്ഡ് ഓൺ നാട്യശാസ്ത്ര എന്ന വിഷയത്തിൽ മോഹിനിയാട്ടം റിസർച്ച് ചെയ്യുവാനും ഒക്കെ സാധിച്ചത് ദൈവത്തിൻ്റെ നിയോഗം എന്ന് ഞാൻ വിശ്വസിക്കുകയാണ്. അതുകൂടാതെ ഈ 2 കൊല്ലത്തിന് മുന്നേ കേരള കലാമണ്ഡലത്തിലെ ഡീനായിട്ട് പ്രവർത്തിക്കുവാനും അവിടുത്തെ സിലബസിൽ വേണ്ട പരിഷ്കാരങ്ങൾ ചെയ്യുവാനും ഒക്കെ സാധിക്കുമ്പോൾ ഇതൊക്കെ എങ്ങനെ സാധിച്ചു എന്ന് ഞാൻ അറിയില്ല. കല എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് അത്രയധികം നമ്മളെ മാറ്റിമറിക്കുന്ന, നമ്മുടെ ബുദ്ധിയെ മാറ്റിമറിക്കുന്ന, നമ്മുടെ ചിന്തകളെ എപ്പോഴും പോസിറ്റീവ് ആയിട്ടുള്ള ഒരു ശക്തി പകരുന്ന ഒരു കാര്യമാണ്. സംഗീതമായാലും നൃത്തമായാലും താളമായാലും നമ്മൾ ലോകത്തിലുള്ള എല്ലാ ദുഃഖങ്ങളും എല്ലാം മറന്നുകൊണ്ട് നമ്മളുടെ ജീവിതത്തെ പുതിയ പുതിയ തലത്തിലേക്ക് വളർത്തിക്കൊണ്ടുവരുവാൻ പ്രാപ്തമായ ഒരു വലിയൊരു കല അഭ്യസിക്കുവാൻ കഴിയുന്നത് തീർച്ചയായിട്ടും നല്ല കാര്യം തന്നെയാണ്. അപ്പോൾ ഇന്നത്തെ ഈ വിദ്യാലയ പഠന സമ്പ്രദായത്തിൽ കലകൾക്ക് ഏറെ പ്രാധാന്യം കൊടുക്കുന്നു എന്നറിയുമ്പോൾ ഈ ഭാരതീയ വിദ്യാഭവൻ സ്കൂളിലെ സ്കൂളിൻ്റെ പ്രത്യേകതയാണ് കലകൾക്ക് കൂടുതൽ, മറ്റുള്ള സ്കൂളുകളെ അപേക്ഷിച്ച് കലകൾക്ക് കൂടുതൽ പ്രാധാന്യം കൊടുത്തുകൊണ്ട്. ഇന്ന് തന്നെ ഞാൻ കയറി വന്നപ്പോൾ ആദ്യം തന്നെ അവരുടെ ചെണ്ടമേളം, ആ കുഞ്ഞു ഇത്രയും പോകുന്നൊരു കുട്ടി നിന്നിട്ട് അവിടെ ഇലത്താളം കൊട്ടുന്നു. ഞാൻ അതിശയിച്ചു പോയി. അത്രയും അത്ഭുതകരമായ ഒരു താളം ത്തിൽ പാണ്ഡിത്യമുള്ള വലിയ ആളുകളെ പോലെയുള്ള ഭാവവും മുഖത്തിൻ്റെ എക്സ്പ്രഷൻസും ഒക്കെ കൊടുത്തുകൊണ്ട് അവർ ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ അവരെ ഞാൻ എങ്ങനെയാണ് സ്വീകരിക്കാതിരിക്കുക, അല്ലെ എങ്ങനെയാണ് അഭിനന്ദിക്കാതിരിക്കുക? അവിടെ മുതൽ തുടങ്ങുന്നു നമ്മുടെ കുട്ടിക്കാലത്തെ സ്കൂളിൽ നിന്ന് കിട്ടുന്ന ഒരു ബാക്കപ്പ് ആണ് ഭാവിയിലുള്ള ഓരോ വിദ്യാർത്ഥികളുടെയും ജീവിതത്തെ മുന്നോട്ട് നയിക്കുന്നത്. അതുകൊണ്ട് തന്നെ ഈ വിദ്യാലയത്തിൽ നിന്ന് കിട്ടുന്ന നല്ല നല്ല പാഠങ്ങൾ ഉൾക്കൊണ്ട് വലിയ വലിയ പദവികളിലേക്ക് എല്ലാവരും എത്തുകയും നിങ്ങളുടെ എല്ലാവരുടെയും ജീവിതം ഈശ്വരനെയും നമ്മുടെ പേരൻസിനെയും എല്ലാം അനുസരിച്ചുകൊണ്ട് നല്ല വലിയ വലിയ തലങ്ങളിലെത്തിക്കൊണ്ട് നമ്മുടെ ഭാരതത്തിനെ വലിയ ഒരു രാജ്യമാക്കി മാറ്റുവാൻ ഈ ഭാരതീയ വിദ്യാഭ്യാസ സ്കൂളിലെ പങ്കെടുക്കുന്ന ഓരോരുത്തരും ഉത്തരവാദിത്വം ഉള്ളവരായി തീരട്ടെ. അതിനുള്ള ശക്തി അവർക്ക് ദൈവം പ്രദാനം ചെയ്യട്ടെ എന്ന് ഞാൻ ഈ അവസരത്തിൽ പ്രാർത്ഥിക്കുകയാണ്. നൃത്തം എന്നുള്ളത് കുക്കിങ്ങിൻ്റെ സമയത്താണെങ്കിലും നമ്മൾ ഗാർഡൻ ചെയ്യുന്ന സമയത്താണെങ്കിലും നമ്മൾ വിശ്രമവേളകളിലാണെങ്കിലും എപ്പോഴും നമ്മുടെ മനസ്സിലെ ആ നൃത്തത്തിൻ്റെ താളങ്ങളും മേളങ്ങളും എല്ലാം എന്നെ ഒരുപാട് വലിയ ഒരു നല്ലൊരു വ്യക്തിത്വത്തിന് ഉടമയാക്കി മാറ്റിയിട്ടുണ്ട്. ഒരുപാട് പേരെ നല്ല വഴിയിലേക്ക് നേർവഴിക്ക് കാണിച്ചുവാൻ സാധിച്ചിട്ടുണ്ട്. അതുപോലെ തന്നെ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് എല്ലാവർക്കും സാധ്യമാകട്ടെ എന്ന് ഞാൻ ആശംസിക്കുന്നു. ഇന്നത്തെ ഈ സൃഷ്ടിയുടെ കലാപരിപാടികളെല്ലാം ഗംഭീരമാവട്ടെ, നന്നായി തീരട്ടെ എന്ന് ആശംസിക്കുന്നു. അതോടൊപ്പം തന്നെ ഇന്ന് വന്ന ഉടനെ ഞാൻ ആസ്വദിച്ചുള്ള ഗണപതി സ്തുതിയും ശിവൻ്റെ പരിപാടികളും നമ്മുടെ കഥക് ഡാൻസും എല്ലാം എന്നും എൻ്റെ മനസ്സിൽ സന്തോഷമുള്ള ഒരു ഓർമ്മയായി ഞാൻ സൂക്ഷിക്കും. എല്ലാവർക്കും നമസ്കാരം, നന്ദി.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for those words of encouragement.
Srimati Usha K, Educational Officer, Shikshan Bharati, has always extended an unwavering support and guidance in all the endeavors. In her absence, our beloved principal, Srimati Lata S., who always cares to shape the curricular and non-curricular pursuit of our students, will convey the message of Srimati Usha K to all of you.
I am just conveying the message of Srimati Usha K, who is our education officer. Madam has not been able to come physically and participate in the function. Dear organizers, participants, and all well-wishers present in this gathering, namaste to all. First of all, let me express my appreciation for the organizers for your fervor and enthusiasm in organizing this mega event, Srishti Nritya Preksha 2024. Your hard work and dedication have truly paid off. Your efforts have not only brought schools together, but also fostered a spirit of healthy competition among the students. I am sure that all of you assembled here will make this event a memorable one. To the participants, your enthusiasm, talent, and sportsmanship will definitely be fruitful. Please remember, you are about to compete with yourself. You are about to compete with yourself. Later on, analyze yourself about your performance today. Do your best. Leave the rest to God, regardless of the outcomes. Each one of you should try to showcase your latent talents with remarkable skill and determination. I pray to Lord Almighty for showering abundant blessings upon all of you for making this event a memorable and enriching experience. Once again, all the very best to the organizers and the participants. Thank you.
Thank you, dear ma'am.
Our school PTA has showcased ardent support and commitment in every step we make. I hereby invite our beloved PTA Executive Member, Manikanda Kumar. Sir, I invite you to share your thoughts.
Good morning. Good morning. I'm not able to hear you. Good morning. Excellent. Yeah. Respected Madam Sugandhi, respected Chairman, respected Director, respected Principal, Vice Principals, and student representatives. First of all, let me thank each and everyone, correct? And respected even our talented students as well as dear parents as well as respected teachers. Let me thank each one of you to be here and witnessing this excellent event. You might have seen this during the inauguration time, right? What a stage, what a day. It is my privilege to stand before you to witness this event. Let me put it on record, right? And this event is something which, this is the first experience for me as a PTA representative. I was just thinking, why the name Srishti is given to this program, this event. And this is one of the prestigious as well as flagship event which is hosted by Bhavan's Munshi Vidyashram. And I was thinking, why this name Srishti is given to this event. Then I realized we will not be able to give a name better than Srishti. Srishti is nothing but it means creativity. It means expression. It means performance, correct? Creativity is creating your own movements, expressing it, and expressing the emotion and performing the art on the stage. From behalf of all the PTA members, I convey my all the best wishes to all the schools participating in this. And let us not forget the work which has happened on the back end, correct? This shows the students' leadership quality. This shows the students' planning. This shows the students how they are be able to go out and live their life maybe after the school days. So please take this opportunity, showcase your talent, showcase your hard work, showcase your the sir was mentioning about the purpose, right? Let Almighty give all the blessing to us to open up the right side of our brain and create more creativity, more talent, and all the very best from the behalf of entire PTA members. I would like to put it on record. Please treat this as our own event. Let the spirit of competition, correct? Let the joy of dance continues and support each other. There is a lot of things to learn from this event. And my humble request is to please grab the opportunity to showcase everything what you have, and all the very best. God bless you. Stay safe. Take care. Thanks a lot. Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Our chief guest, Srimati Kalamandalam Sugandhi, has taken some time out of her busy schedule to grace this occasion. As a token of appreciation and love, we would like to honor her with a memento. I request our principal, Srimati Lata S., to kindly hand over the memento to Madam.
Thank you, ma'am. Bhavan's Munshi Vidyashram is overwhelmed to host this prestigious event and join hands with you all. I now invite Kumari Anne Mary Bijoy to deliver the vote of thanks on behalf of the entire Bhavans Munshi family.
At times, our own light goes out and is rekindled by a spark from another person. Each of us has a cause to think with deep gratitude of those who have lighted flame within us. Most respected Chief Guest of Honor, Srimati Kalamandalam Sukanti, esteemed Chairman Sri C.A. Venugopal C. Govind, Honorable Director Sri E. Raman Kuti, and all other dignitaries present here, Namaste and warm good morning to one and all. As we come to the close of this splendid inaugural function, it is my privilege to deliver the vote of thanks on behalf of our school. We are deeply honored by the presence of our chief guest, Srimati Kalamandalam Suganti. Your inspiring words and gracious presence have truly elevated this event. Thank you for taking the time out of your busy schedule to be with us and for sharing your valuable insights. Now, I would like to thank our director, Sri E. Raman Kuti, who has been our guiding light at each step of our journey. Let me also mention my sincere gratitude to the Deputy Director, Sri Suresh K., for his valuable presence on this auspicious day. My heartfelt gratitude is extended to Srimati Sunita S., Academic Supervisor, BVB Kochi, for being with us today. I also take this opportunity to express my thanks to our PTA Executive Committee member, Sri Manikanda Kumar. I wish to express my thankfulness to Srimati Deepa Unitan, the Dean of BRIM, for her valuable presence. I would also like to thank Srimati Rekha Suresh, teacher in charge of Bhavans Bala Mandir Thiruvankulam, for being a part of this function. I would also like to express my grateful thanks to our chairman, Sri C.A. Venugopal C. Govind, for Govind sir. I wish to express my thankfulness to Srimati Deepa Unitan, the Dean of BRIM, for her valuable presence. I also thank our principal, Srimati Leta S., Vice Principal, Srimati Ramya Das, and Srimati Nirmala V.K., who have graced this occasion with their presence and whose support and encouragement had resulted this day of Srishti Nritya Preksha 2024-25. I also take this opportunity to thank the principals of participating schools for the support they have rendered in making today's day a grand reality. A big thank you to all the teachers, parents, and students. Your enthusiasm and active participation have added great value to this function. Your contributions and support are what make our school community so vibrant and strong. We must also extend our thanks to the non-teaching staff and volunteers who work diligently behind the scenes to ensure everything ran smoothly. Your efforts are immensely appreciated. I would like to express a heartfelt gratitude to the organizing committee comprising of our teachers and students of Standard 11 for their tireless efforts in planning and executing this event. Your dedication and hard work have made this a momentous event for all of us. To sum up, to all the participants, your talent and hard work will make this event truly special. We eagerly look forward to pursue your performances and celebrate your achievements. I would like to thank each one of you for being a part of this inaugural function. Your presence and cooperation have made it a memorable occasion. Once again, thank you and have a great day.
Thank you, Anne Mary. Dance is your pulse,
Your heartbeat,
your breathing. It's the rhythm of your life
It's the expression in time,
and movement,
in happiness,
joy,
sadness.
and envy. With this, we arrive at the culmination of the inaugural function.
The stage is meticulously set, and so are our performers.
A multitude of thrilling and innovative events awaits you all. So let's have a glimpse of this upcoming festivity of Nritya Preksha.
For category 1, Vanya Vismaya, it's for classes 1 and 2, where the dancers display a dynamic dance performance using the fauna as a reference, symbolizing freedom and strength.
For category 2, Sankalp Srishti, for classes 3 and 4, where dancers exhibit the urgent need to achieve the sustainable development goals through their marvelous dance moves.
In category 3, we have Rhythmo for classes 5 and 6, where dancers imitate the movements of the wading flamingo bird.
For category 4, Natya Nrisarga, for classes 7 and 8, dance is the poetry of food, where dancers revere the timeless words of the poetess Sugata Kumari and poet O.N.V. Kuruppu.
In category 5, we have Samandritya for classes 9 and 10, where the dancers dance to the amalgamated cultures of the states Rajasthan, Gujarat and Assam.
For category 6, Prakriti Vihara, where dancers exhibit their spontaneous choreography skills through a brief 3-minute performance.
Aadalam Paadalam Kondadalam for classes 7 and 8. It's a competition of cheerleading teams consisting of cheerleaders who execute a combination of dance and gymnastics accompanied by chants.
Chitrakatha. This competition is open for classes 7 and above, where students are invited to capture the glimpses of the various dance forms depicting the rich cultural heritage of India and showcase their inner talents in photography.
So sit back and enjoy.
Srishti 2K24, Nritya Preksha, the dance of nature.